Alright guys, have a look here. These are the Hodgkinson heifers. These heifers have all been palpated. They're all home-raised heifers. You've seen them every year. Kathy and Bill have been out here pale feeding them. They're super quiet. Reds, blacks, brockles, blazes. The bulk of them are solid color. Nice semi-Angus cross. Lots of hair, lots of length. Just a ton of quality in these cattle. So there's going to be about 60 of these palpated heifers. Looking for some replacement heifers. One iron heifers. Here's some. Take a look. Like I said, there's going to be reds, blacks, red brockles, black blazes, black brockles. It's a nice cross in these heifers. Quality is as front end as you're going to get them. Just a wicked sight. They haven't been pushed in feed. They're just growing up nice, super quiet, home raised, one iron heifers. So they'll be on the March 19th replacement heifer sale. Look at the hair, look at the length. It's going to be roughly 60 heifers. Big, strong reds and blacks. If you're looking for some replacements, guys, dig in. Have a look at these. These are the Hodgkinson heifers. Undone ranch. Unfortunately, you do not get to see the blue roans in town. Reds, blacks, red white face, black white face, black brockles. Front end set. And there's Kathy. She didn't want to be in the video. Look at these heifers, are super quiet. Coming up. Just a nice set. All home raised, front end cattle. Lots of length, lots of hair. Great quality heifers. Undone Ranch. There they are, March 19th at the Olds Auction Mart.